Where you now? Are you back in? You're from Canada, right?
No, I'm Argentinian. I live in Spain,
That's cool.
and I've been traveling back and forth. I'm now back in Argentina because
Right.
I have a relative, but it's not doing so well, so I have to come back.
I
I'll
see.
probably stay here for a while. So let's do it.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Okay. Cool. How's it, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another live session with Tango and I. Boris will be joining us today. He will join the next one. But yeah, the markets, I mean, like I said in the video, the market's still looking bullish. Like yesterday, we had a huge flush of all the longs. You can see with this wick over here. You can see the price even came as low as 68,600, and then it actually closed back above the range on the 4-hour time frame. So this would have been the place to actually long the market yesterday, but yeah, you can see what happened. Took out all of these longs, and then we had a nice push up. But overall, like the market's still looking bullish. You see it's coming down a little bit now, probably back to like 72, 200, 250. We'll see what happens there. We can maybe look at a potential long off that area if it comes down to there, because that is your 4-hour highs over here. So it could just be a retest trade. That's what I'll be looking at. But yeah, welcome Tango. What are your thoughts on the market?
Hey Dylan, hello everybody. How's it going? Yeah, I do agree with that. It looks like we're having like a new all-time high, a market, new all-time high day in the market. It's just just constantly retesting the all-time highs and then just getting sold back below. So that's been the narrative so far. I mean, we're still clearly in a bull market, and this is looking very very strong. We've seen that each dip that we get, it's getting bought. There's some real buying under the surface. I think the ETFs are pushing this thing upwards. So yeah, for now, yeah, I mean, bull market, it's better to be long than short. Wouldn't be shorting things up here. There's really not much short setups around along the altcoin world. It's just a constant rotation, as you can see, and we will see. Everything is like rotating. Every 1 or 2 days, there's some altcoins pumping, and then the rest is just retracing and then switching back. So we're still not in altcoin season. We're still focused on Bitcoin, but from now and then, Bitcoin, just retest its highs, and it's been kind of hard to open new long positions up here because you never know when it's going to pull back. But for now, I mean, there's no reason to be just looking for a market top or just trying to start looking for shorts. I think we're still early on this bull market, in my opinion.
Yeah, I agree. I do agree. Actually, I took this AVAX long just before the stream, and I'm thinking, I mean, it's looking still good here because the 1-hour candle actually closed bullish above the previous 1-hour highs, and it's already created a bottom wick. So I think we could potentially see another push for AVAX here. Yeah, I mean, yesterday we had a massive move for AVAX, and then it came down, formed like a triangle pattern, and yeah, we just broke out of it, which is why I did take a long. I actually did take profit on this long, but I'm thinking about re-entering.
Yeah,
What if,
AVAX looks great, man. I mean, looks very bullish. It's just breaking out of a really long consolidation. I think it has lots of potential in the midterm. I can probably hit 100 and 150 easily, but we got if you zoom in, we got a really nice 2-day push up with a big candles. So yeah, I think it's looking great. I think it's also usually correlated with Solana. Usually when Solana moves up, this one moves up as well. It's been lagging behind. So if we correlate that, we've seen that Solana has broken up first, and then it just started, consolidating sideways, and this one then took over and it's breaking out. So I think there's a little bit of correlation there. But yeah, I think it's AVAX is a bit undervalued. Uh, so it does have a lot of potential to go up. Probably 100 is a good target in the midterm. But yeah, shorter time frames and for scalp, yeah, I think you get a nice position there. If it breaks out this 54.70 ish, something like that, could definitely go up again to 57.40.
Yeah.
So yeah, I like the I
Check
like
check
the
the, check the 15 minutes on AVAX.
Hold on.
So you can see how if you draw like a trend line from the highs to you can see the breakout. Yeah, that's what I traded earlier. I mean, it looks like it's retested right now and it's about to fly. So I don't
Yeah,
know.
this is interesting because this one was a breakout candle and it got engulfed by the following one. So I'll just be very cautious here. But it looks like if this one can go all the way up again, then you're safe and the trade is confirmed. I think yeah, because usually when you see a bar that engulfs the previous one, it's usually a bearish sign. But if you get that negated, by the following bar, then yeah, I think you're still in really good shape here.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, 57 to 57.30. What's your target?
It would be 50. Yeah, 57. Pretty much the previous high.
57. Yeah, I think it's a good target. Yeah. AVAX. I think it has maybe one more day push up. Looks good on the daily. Yeah. What else we're looking at? Ethereum has been flirting with the 4K area. It looks like it's struggling a little bit to break, but it's not going down either. So.
Exactly.
So yeah, I think Bitcoin has been moving better than Ethereum up here. But Ethereum could, once Bitcoin starts, not pulling back but trading sideways, there will be like some market digestion up here. I think we got a range on Bitcoin between the all-time highs and probably the 69 to 60K area could be the first line of support. If we start, like sideways consolidation here, which will be very healthy. I think we could potentially see Ethereum just being able to break the 4,000 area. We also have to look at this product ETH against BTC. Talk about this trend line that's been dominating the whole move since 2022. Been trying to break it a couple of times, but Bitcoin's still dominating the market. And it's just trying to consolidate right above the this trend line. So I think this is not ready yet. We might see some more consolidation here or maybe here, but then it will eventually. I think it will probably need more time. Probably like mid-year, we'll see a break on this pattern, and we could potentially see Ethereum trending higher, probably to 5, 6, 7K. But for now, like on the really short term, I think we need Bitcoin first to just consolidate sideways, and it will give Ethereum the opportunity to break the 4K mark, because it needs it clearly needs liquidity up here to be able to break. Yeah, there's some rumors about the Ethereum ETFs as well, but that's not. I don't think that's even priced in, or it's not been even speculated.
Yeah, I actually heard it's like 30% it will get passed and 70% is going to get rejected. So
Yeah. We're far from there yet, because Ethereum is not Bitcoin. It's considered a security for the SEC, so it has to be framed into that regulatory framework. First of all, so it can, probably then be considered to be approved as an ETF. But for now, yeah, I think we still have a lot of we have a lot on our plate with the Bitcoin ETF thing. So not sure if just anticipating or jumping into conclusions is the way to go. I think it's better to be focused on where the money is involved right now, and that's Bitcoin.
Yeah, I agree. What's your
Nice.
thoughts on Solana for potential long?
Solana. I mean, it broke out of this base, and we're actually seeing what I like to see after a break, which is a consolidation above the breakout line.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
yeah, so we got this breakout up here. Now we got this volatility candle here that flushed all the leverage longs and the leverage shorts as well here. This was on the Bitcoin all-time high test. That was last Tuesday, and after that, everything was cleared. We got a clean slate here, and it broke out beautifully. This 128, 130 something area, and I got this. I had this top here, which was around 143.57, which stands around 144. Whenever, just to clarify this, guys, whenever we draw a trend line like this, it's not a specific price. Okay, it's an area of resistance, it's an area of support. It's not, it's not an exact point. Okay, we can usually also use a rectangle like this, so it's more understandable. But whenever we actually show you a trend line, it's not a specific price, but rather an area of support or resistance. So 144 here on the weekly. We got a break. We got a 3 week breakout, and I think it'll be nice to see a consolidation like right above that 144. The longer we stay above 144, the higher chances we have to shoot up to 180, probably 200. So again, Solana and AVAX, I think they are still undervalued, and if we are continue to move up on this market and we actually get an out season, these ones are gonna provide lots of good entries and great profits.
Yeah, exactly. I agree.
Yeah, but for now, like I always, just for a more like a scalp, I would like focus more on AVAX than Solana.
Yeah,
Because AVAX
yeah,
is moving, Solana's just like resting and consolidating.
I like the look of AVAX because even if the 15-minute candle closes like how it's going to close now,
Yeah.
I would love that because it's still respecting the previous.
Yeah. That's a win already. The only you will be in trouble if if it closed below this, of
Yeah,
course. Probably
yeah,
you get it, but for now it's looking really good.
yeah, I agree.
Yeah. So what else do we have? Bitcoin. I tried a long position on Bitcoin. I was looking at the liquidation heat map, which for scalping might help. Okay, because you get a lot of longs here to be liquidated. That was around 72,800, and we've seen a flush around that price, which is 72,800. We see this on the 1 hour. I was looking at the 1 hour. We got this red candle, and it bounced back on the 21 EMA on the 1 hour candle, and the 8 EMA on the 4 hour candle, which is nice to see. So that could have been a better buy. I actually got stopped out of this one. Didn't work. My stop wasn't here, of course. It was like much shorter. So I got stopped out, but sometimes you need to just wait, for the trade to come to you instead of just pushing. But I understand that, in a bull market and this thing moving like it is, there's not much time also to hesitate. Sometimes you need to just pull the trigger,
Yeah.
and as long as your risk is measured, I think it's a matter of profile, trading profile of being more aggressive or being more conservative or more passive on your entries.
Exactly.
But yeah, we shall see if we get a bounce back above that 73,200. Maybe we get a run to up to the all-time highs again. I think we need to look at the ETFs as well. The U.S. market is going to open in 15 minutes. Remember, we changed the daylight saving in the U.S., so I think look at that. It's open at the highs, so we'll have to wait. I think we need to wait it now for the U.S. market open on BTC for a clear direction on the market.
Yeah, I agree. I was looking at like now while you're speaking, I was looking at TIA, and I still think that the TIA has also been lagging behind in a way. We've had like Solana, we've had like Audi ran up quite a lot. TIA hasn't really done anything. So at 15.2, 15.15, we had that push, and then on the 4-hour time frame as well now. It broke out of the previous like 17.27 range, and it's looking like it might bounce from this level. So I'm thinking on the 30 minutes, I'm gonna wait for a breakout of like this trend line 19.7, and if it breaks above there, then I'll look to long back up to like 20. Yeah, I think
TIA. Yeah, I have a position on TIA. I have a swing long. Went long on last Tuesday when we got that dip. I was able to buy a couple of tokens. I had like a couple of limit orders placed. Some of them got filled, some of them didn't. TIA, I had it because I thought 15 was a great spot for support here. We've seen that it bounced here below. I mean, TIA has been a market leader. Look at this run it's made, and also we got a really nice pullback. Some digestion, profit taking, which is very healthy. And we found this 15 to be, a nice area of support. So I was just, placing a bit around there. So I'm still long. I'm not going to sell this for now. My first target is around here, around 20. I might add to this. Yeah. I mean, I think that on the 4-hour, it looks like it wants to put a green candle here to engulf this whole pullback here. So looks good for a scalp. I might add to this position. If I do, then definitely I will look for a break of this 1850 area. That will be like a target for this, and then for my swing, I might take profits higher, but still looking good. I think we can resume this uptrend on TIA. It's been lagging. You see this trend line I draw here, like around the highs. It's been dominating the move downwards. So this is the first time it's trading back above that. It reclaimed the 8 and the 21 EMA. So it's starting to look better after a month of retracement. So the good call to be spotting on TIA.
Yeah, I agree. Your entry was amazing, actually.
Yeah, I got a couple of entries on this ones. I got ING as well. ING is, I think, ING I think has lots of potential still. I mean, big mover, but I think it has potential to run probably to 100 in the midterm. So it's been difficult to trade because it's been on a range. This was the range, the bigger range, that I was looking at. Really nice consolidation after a huge break. So it was between 30 and 45, and I was looking at this. I was looking at waiting for it to consolidate on the upper side of the upper half of this consolidation. So I got filled at what was this, around 39 or 40, and now we got ourselves a breakout. I didn't add. I wanted to add on this breakout, but it's been difficult to trade as well because there's lots of wicks on ING. So I was, I was not sure to add to the break at 45, and I thought it was better for me to just wait for a pullback maybe, and I add to it if we pull back to that 45 area, and then we resume the uptrend. So I might add there, but for now, looks like a great breakout. So on the 4-hour or maybe the 1 hour, we could look for a scalp on ING.
Yeah, I agree. I do agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to see now. Not much else. Some coins are retracing. BNB had a huge rally.
Yeah, BNB massive.
I didn't actually catch it at all.
BNB has been a massive move.
Yeah, it has. Like, my target for BNB was 503. And then I thought it would retrace from there, but yeah.
Yeah, I actually sold it very, very early. I think I sold this around 380 or something like that. This is where when I played Binance. I did not expect this move up, to be honest. So I was involved around here, and then I just got out of the way. Thought, it gave us a really nice break out of this base around here. Got ourselves a 30% up. I did not expect this massive move to happen. It's just been amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, so let's see. I'm only really in one trade in AVAX. Solana, not really much happening there. I still think that, what Tango was saying earlier, like Solana easily reach 200 within like the next couple of weeks even.
Yeah.
Bitcoin, what's happening with Bitcoin? Not really doing much.
I'll probably have to wait.
Yeah.
Ape is moving today.
Ape, let me have a look.
Yeah, Ape is moving up, and it's now pulling back on the lower time frames.
Oh, Ape had a nice move, yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, it's up 8% now.
Where's the previous high? So, 2.41, 2.44. Then after that, Ape looks like it's just going to carry on. It obviously retraces it, but I mean, it's looking really, really good.
Yeah.
I might actually look for a long at like 2.43 for Ape.
What's the price?
2.43.
Yeah.
Like for a retest long. If it comes down to there, I'll be looking at.
Yeah. I'm gonna wait. Maybe we get a pullback back to that breakout area, 245, 243, 241. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Just try to find the best spot possible.
I think it looks. What's happening with the AVAX? AVAX still looks quite good. Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, AVAX looks good.
Let's have a look at some of the meme coins. It's low key. Yeah, flaky. Okay, so these coins. Yeah, I mean, Floki's still stuck in this range, so it's been trading within 0.281 to around about 0.262. Um, yeah, so for me, like I would wait for like a break out of. It's just consolidating right now, so you're gonna have to wait for price to either break 0.28 or break below 0.262. So not really doing much here. Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, probably it's best for me. I'm just gonna wait uh,
Yeah,
the first 10 minutes of the U.S. market open, see how the whole market reacts, and yeah, maybe we get a bit of a pullback that's viable.
I agree.
That'll be nice to see.
Yeah, so let's
Ethereum
see.
is
We'll wait.
Ethereum is back at 4,000.
Actually, it's done quite a bit. Oh, there we go. Yeah, okay. So ETH. We'll probably see a test maybe of like 3975. Um, yeah, let's wait for the New York Open and see what happens.
Yeah. There's no news today that are important. We got the inflation rate yesterday.
Yeah,
Didn't move the market too much, to be honest. It was like a bit
yeah, there's
worse than
nothing.
expected, I think. Yeah.
PPR tomorrow. Um,
Tomorrow we have CPI. Yeah.
and then Friday, not much. Mm, Yeah, it looks like some coins are starting to take a hit here.
Yeah.
Big time, yeah, big time is not being fun. Filecoin. Let's see what happens in the continuation. Yeah, looks like ETH's about a dump here.
Yeah, the ETFs are looking bullish at the start. They, there's like a little bit of like a hammer kind of candle close yesterday, and it's now opening the highs. So yeah, so we just opened. We shall see if it continues high, continue higher. That's the case, then Bitcoin is gonna pump really quick.
Yeah, I agree. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, everything's still holding, which is, yeah. So it still looks good.
Yeah,
Um, let's see. So the 5:30 now. AVAX and still looks really good here. The 30-minute candle just closed, and it closed above 54.34, which is the previous highs on the 30 minutes. So yeah, so I'm still gonna hold this one.
yeah.
And
Talk about TIA. Let's see if
yeah, let's go back there.
TIA can reverse this pullback on the 4 hour. Looks best, but it's gonna be a bit slow.
Yeah, we have to wait for this one.
On our time frames, there's not much.
Yeah, even the 30-minute candle closed below the 4-hour highs, so we may see a
Yeah.
temporary pullback here. Bitcoin's starting to come down a bit there.
Yeah.
The next level, let me have a look at the book map, but next level for Bitcoin here would probably be like 72,250. That would be a level for potential bounce. So we'll see what happens there.
Let's see if Bitcoin bounces off this 72,500.
Yeah, exactly.
It's trying, but if it doesn't, I might look to get in long, but after we see a flush first. So
Yeah,
I need the on the 1 hour. I need this candle to trade below the previous one, below 72,510. If it breaks down and then goes back up, that's a good price for me to entry. If it flushes the leveraged longs positions there, but it looks like it also wants to just bounce off here. So just looking at it in the 5 minute now.
yeah, exactly. It looks like we are getting a bit of a move here. Let's see what happens with Bitcoin. What's happening with Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance starting to pump a little bit. Yeah, the thing is, like, altcoin season is still not even here. Like, Bitcoin dominance needs to come way harder than this
Yeah.
in order to, yeah. So it's basically still really early on the outs. Bitcoin is still holding this level.
Yeah. It's holding 72,500.
Yeah.
Let's see if it can be defended or it's gonna be retested.
Let's see.
FET is showing a little bit of relative strength. It's actually perking up.
Oh, it was.
Yeah.
It's hard to keep track of where it's going.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Right, looks like we're gonna retest that 72,500.
Yeah.
So,
Let's see what happens there. I think we might come as low as like 72, 250. Possibly.
yeah,
That's your previous 4-hour range. 1 hour and 4 hour.
yeah. All right. So we're breaking it now. We shall see if we get a breakdown here.
Yeah, eat something here.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, looks like there is quite a nice over here.
Looks like it wants to dump a little bit. We shall see. I have two orders. So I placed a limit order around 71,400. That'll be right around the 21 EMA, just in case
Yeah.
we get a dump or a flush. I might try to get just buy some down there. And the other trade I'm gonna do, if we actually go back up to 72,510, I'm gonna get in long with a stop
Yeah.
at the low of this candle. So there we go.
I like that. I think it's good.
I'm sure if I get. Did I get fill? I didn't. Now, I'm not sure what happened, but that order was rejected, so I didn't get fill at 72.510.
Yeah, let's see what happens. I think there may be more of done, to be honest. See.
Yeah. I actually like that entry though, but
Yeah, it was true.
now what happened? It shows like the order was cancelled, but
That's true.
not sure why.
Yeah, I mean, Ethereum, these are the key levels here for Ethereum. So it would be, first level is going to be this previous high at 39.50. If it breaks that, then we could see back down to the range at like 38.60. But the 4-hour candle has to close below 39.80. So it's still retesting that, so we'll see what happens there.
Alright, so I guess I missed that entry. Let's see what Bitcoin does now. If it bounces or it just goes down.
Yeah, I mean, that's just the previous retest, so you have to be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, if Bitcoin closes back below 72,250, then we may see 71,400. That's what you're looking for long, right? Like a more of a swing here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does not look like it wants to bounce though, but
Yeah. I'm gonna make this jump here.
see if we get a dump here. Maybe we get a maybe we get the gap filled in the ETFs. We should go back down to 40.94, 40.41 ish. Get back down there on the ETFs, then maybe we get a bounce after that. But
Yeah.
might get filled this gap.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna see a break.
Yeah. Looks like
Okay. Yeah, I think we're definitely gonna see another retest of 39.50 for ETH. Yeah.
Ethereum.
Yeah.
What's the price you're looking at?
Like 39.50.
Yeah. So it's a previous breakout
Yeah.
price. Yeah. Yeah, looks like it.
Will it be here? 39.33. So,
All right. Going
thanks,
down.
man.
Going down, boys. Going down. Let's see if we can fill this gap on the ETFs and
Yeah, it's definitely gonna probably done here. What else? Let's have a look and see what other coin. Yeah, PYTH also done pretty. Dogecoin. I think everything's pretty. Everything. It's pretty much done pretty.
It's been quite slow though
Yeah,
for a an open that where you usually see volatility. It's been quite quiet, to be honest.
exactly. Yeah, so Bitcoin is currently at that previous high. Yeah. Let's see what happens. If it breaks through here, we might see a push back down to 71,300, 71,400. That's where I'd place like a potential bounce long. I think Tango also doing the same. I do like the look of that because it looks like this dump does have a bit of legs.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait now. See if we get a flush down to 71,400.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, so Bitcoin, just looking at this, still looking like it might dump here. Same as Tango, basically just going to look for that long. Oh, this is
You
Bitcoin down.
check ING, man. ING is so strong. I think there's a long. As soon as we get a bounce on the overall
Oh, yeah.
market, this one is
Yeah, it's
consolidating
just,
higher, man. I mean, it's like maybe
yeah,
above 50, above 50, what, 50, 94, 50, 50, 95. You can get a long up to 52, 52.90.
yeah,
Looks pretty
definitely.
strong. Look
Yeah,
at
look,
that.
that's,
Yeah,
yeah, I like that actually.
yeah. Yeah, that's what you like to see, like relative strength for when the market is it's going one direction and you see something going the other direction. It's not just a buy per se, but look, it's going up, man.
Yeah, that's,
But as soon as the market, changes direction, this one can get traction really soon. It can turn into a really nice gainer.
yeah, I agree, I agree.
Yeah,
It's only down 2%, so it definitely flipped to like positive 5% or something like that.
yeah, but look at this candle, man. It made yesterday. I mean, this one has legs.
Yeah,
Probably we get it second or third day up on ING.
yeah, literally.
Yeah, it looks strong. All while Bitcoin and the overall market is just going down.
Yeah, it's crazy. That's crazy. This thing looks like a lot of pumps.
Yeah. Yeah, this was a nice entry right here.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are pretty much the setups we're looking at, guys. Uh, Bitcoin potential long at 40. I mean, well, not 40, so 71, like 300, 71, 400. Potential long back up to the highs. Um, and yeah, INJ, once Bitcoin stops dumping and starts getting a retracement or starts consolidating, we'll probably see INJ and AVAX start to move up a bit. Yeah, so we'll just have to wait and see how far this jump can push it. But yeah, thanks so much for joining, guys. Hope you guys did learn something. And yeah, see you later. Tango, do you have a live today?
No, I think I'm going live tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we have the inside panel, and I'm also streaming. I went
Yeah.
live yesterday, so
Okay. Yeah, so
yeah.
Tango and I are
So
both, yeah, we're both going to go live tomorrow. And then we also have a market insight where there's like a topic that we speak about, probably like ETF or, I'm not too sure what the topic is this week. But yeah, make sure you guys join for tomorrow. And yeah, see you guys then. Cheers,
see
Tango.
you guys. Thanks for joining today. Safe
Cool, cool.
trading.
Cheers, cheers.
Bye, Dylan. Cheers.